Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to do a view once picture on WhatsApp, a messaging app where you can send pictures to your recipients without worrying about the privacy because the recipient cannot take pictures or do screen recording of the picture that you send using the view once mode. To start, simply tap the camera icon just like this and then take any picture just like this, and then there's an icon on the bottom right of your screen that has a circle and the number 1 on it. Tap on it. It's now set to view once. Now tap the send button. When you receive it, when the recipient sees this, tap on it, and there you go. It's now set to screen recording mode, so we cannot see the picture that's sent, which is the thumbs up picture that we just sent earlier. And your privacy is protected, and that's how you do a view once picture on WhatsApp and send it to your recipients. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!